Today I'm going to show you how I make my veggie pizza using the outer aisle pizza crust. It's keto-friendly, healthy, and so yummy. Here are the ingredients. Outer aisle pizza crust. I like to use this because it's already flavored and has less carb. Only 3 grams of carb per crust. This is really good for those who are on a keto diet. It's made of cauliflower and has eggs and cheese in it. For veggie toppings, I like spinach, maybe 20 leaves, red onions sliced into thin strips, green bell pepper sliced into thin strips, tomatoes sliced into thin half circles, black olives sliced into circles, mushrooms thinly sliced, pickles thinly sliced, and broccoli sliced to small pieces. I know it's gonna be veggie overload. For marinara sauce, I use Bertolli, the one with the basil garlic flavor. For cheese, I'll add some shredded mozzarella and shredded Parmesan. Are you on a keto diet? Try this nutritional spray that supports a healthy keto diet regimen. For more info, visit the website link in the description below. So now let's put the toppings on the crust. First, of course, is to spread the marinara on the crust. Take note that it is a small size crust, good for 1 serving only. So make 2 of them if there's 2 of you, and so on. Then I put the spinach, and sprinkle the mozzarella. Then add the rest of the vegetables. It's up to you which one you want to put first, but for me, I usually add first the ones that cook easily, because I think whatever is on the top gets cooked first. Then lastly, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Set the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Then cook the pizza for 10 minutes. Or just follow the instructions on the outer aisle packaging. And there's our veggie pizza. Enjoy! How is it, Phil? It's a weasel over here.
Wow. Really good.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more healthy recipe videos.